Today's video is going to be very important, so please welcome back to my channel Way to Merchant Navy. Hopefully you guys are doing well. If you haven't subscribed my channel, please go and subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon, press all to get notification for all my upcoming videos. The topic is that when the Synergy will conduct the 2021 exam, okay, written, oral, everything for all the certain junior ranks, the freshers. So before that, if you want to get study material for Synergy examination 2021 for deck cadet, engine cadet and the GP rating, the links are given in the description box. Please go to that link and check that products, okay. So it will be obviously increase your chances to get cracked in Synergy exams. So very frankly speaking, there is no confirmation at all. Most of the candidates means very frankly speaking, every day I used to get 4, 5, 6 messages from the candidates that when will be the examination will be conducted. But as we'll analyze, okay, no problem, we'll analyze and try to get a predicted date, okay. So as you guys know that Synergy used to conduct the examination around April, May, that is the time frame they used to conduct the examination. But from the last year it has been completely changed due to this pandemic situation. They are unable to conduct the exam on the March and April or May, whatever, in the last year. So instead of that period, they able to conduct the examination on month of October or November. That period written examination has been completed. Obviously online examination was there. Then they have started the taking orals, not like before they used to call the candidates in the office and they used to take the interviews. Not like that. They used to conduct the orals via MTI, means they sorted out the candidates that from this MTI these candidates have been shortlisted for orals, and like that they have started. This is I have heard from one candidate only. So in the month of January or February, I guess. So now it is April end, no update, no confirmation. So what is the predicted date? So now they have just recruit those candidates. I think they didn't get the joining also, okay, due to this situation. So my prediction, maybe on August or September, situation might get better on that period. I guess now the situation is very worst. We have thought that corona is gone, COVID situation is under control, but suddenly the hike is up. So now there is no chance within 1 month or 2 months, maybe August or September, they will conduct the examination. So that is my rough prediction, okay. Yeah, Synergy need cadets because this is a management company. They used to take ships at regular basis, so cadets are required. No, not like that they don't require cadets. They obviously require the cadets. This is the only company in India which used to conduct the examination all India basic, okay. So that is the advantage over Synergy. Start preparing for it slowly. Build yourself for the writtens, aptitude, your orals, to build yourself for the exams. So don't think much when there will be examination will be there, but you have to prepare, because you can give exams 2 times in Synergy in your whole career. If you miss one chance, next chance will be do or die. So better you clear in the first chance, and most importantly, if you unable to clear in first chance, you have to wait for further 1 year, okay. Suppose the guys who have missed their chance on 2019, so they thought in 2020 April or May the exams will be conducted, but it stretched to the November. So nearly about 2 years they have lost, and time is more precious, more important, okay, especially when you are in shipping line. So start preparing for today, and obviously exams will be there and you can go with full preparation. Again, I'm reminding you, all the study materials in the description box, you go and check it out, the complete study material for Synergy exams. And best of luck, be prepared for exams. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon, press all to get notification for all my upcoming videos. Thank you guys for watching. See you in my next video. Signing off for today.